さんこんにちは。お元気ですか? How are you today? I hope you're all doing great. So today we're going to look at N5 vocabularies, but I will introduce those vocabularies with kanjis that you need to know before you take the exam to pass N5 level, okay? So today, mainly we're going to look at kanji. And as you know, kanji has lots of different pronunciations. And it's really hard to distinguish when to use which pronunciation I should use this time and that time. But today, since we're going to look at specific vocabularies, we only have one pronunciation for each kanji. So this time, don't worry, you're not gonna get confused. Please remember vocabulary with the kanji. So this time, please do not worry, we're not gonna get confused, so don't worry. But this time, please remember vocabularies with kanjis. So whenever you see this kanji, you know how to pronounce, you know the meaning of it. Okay? You can repeat this video again and again and again. Of course, we cannot remember all at once. It's about consistency. So if you decided to remember, let's say 10 kanjis in vocabulary this time a day, that's fine. Or if you want to push yourself a little bit harder, maybe 20, 30, 40, up to you, okay? So let's try our best, okay? 頑張りましょう. You can do it. Believe in yourself. I believe in you. 頑張りましょう. Let's go! But before that, I want to say thank you very much for your all support and comments. Thank you very much. I really enjoy reading and communicating through comments. Also, for those who this is the first time that you see my video, see my YouTube channel, welcome! Yokoso! My channel, I talk about Japanese JLPT tactics, kanji problems, kanji, how to remember kanjis, and also Japanese culture, of course Japanese studying. I talk about Japan or Japanese study related topics. Also, I want to introduce my Instagram because, of course, I do TikTok as well, but Instagram, every Friday, I post a story for you guys to drop your questions about Japan or Japanese study. And then I will upload answers to those questions on YouTube. So if you like, please follow my Instagram too. And I really appreciate it. If you find this video helpful or if you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's study vocabulary and kanji. Today, we're going to look at around 124 vocabularies with kanjis. Okay? So maybe it will be a little bit challenging, but it's okay. We're gonna do little by little. Okay? So stay with me. First topic, number. 数字 number, 数字 Okay. では very easy one. たらー 1 1 Number 2 2 2 3 3 4 4 or 4 or 5 5 6 6 7 7 or 7 7 or 7 8 8 8 9 9 or 9 9 or 9 10 10 10 100 100 100 1000 1000 1000 10,000 万万頑張ってください。By the way, this time, the reason why I'm not showing how to write, we have kanji like order, but today we're not going to focus on that. We're going to look at reading and vocabulary's meaning. Okay? So as long as you remember the shape and how you read and its meaning, that's more than enough. So 大丈夫. You can do it. Next topic is about people. People. では行きます。First one. Person. 人。人。Japanese people. Japanese. 日本人。日本人。Child. 子供。子供。Man. 男。男。Woman. 女。女。Boy. 男の子。男の子。Girl. 女の子。女の子。Teacher. 先生。先生。Friends. 友達。友達。High school students. 高校生。高校生。My father. 父。父。Father. お父さん。お父さん。My mother. 母。母。Mother. お母さん。お母さん。So let's talk about this time body. Body parts in kanji. Okay? いきます。eyes. 目。目。mouth. 口。口。ear. 耳。耳。hands. 手。手。foot. 足。足。power. 力。力。Next is about places. School. 学校。学校。company. 会社。会社。station. 駅。駅。shop. 店。店。airport. 空港。空港。university. 大学。大学。entrance. 入り口。入り口。exit. 出口。出口。Next, about vehicles. Car. 車。車。train. 電車。電車。Next is about time. Time. 時間。時間。one week. 一週間。一週間。every day. 毎日。毎日。every week. 毎週。毎週。every year. 毎年。毎年。today. 今日。今日。tomorrow. 明日。明日。this week. 今週。今週。last week. 先週。先週。next week. 来週。来週。this month. 今月。今月。last month. 先月。先月。next month. 来月。来月。new year. 新年。新年。AM. 午前。午前。PM. 午後。 午後 Next is about color. White 白 Black 黒 Next topic is about direction. Above 上 Under 下 Right 右 Left 左 Front 前 Back 後ろ Inside 中 Outside 外 North 北 South 南 East 東 West 西 Next is going to be about days. Sunday 日曜日 Monday 月曜日 Tuesday 火曜日 Wednesday 水曜日 Thursday 木曜日 Friday 金曜日 Saturday 土曜日 You can also remember like this. 月火水木金土日 One more time. 月火水木金土日 Next is about nature. Mountain 山 River 川 Sky 空 Air 空気 Flower 花 Next is about animals. Cow 牛 Fish 魚 Shell 貝 Next is about language. Japanese 日本語 Chinese 中国語 English 英語 Next is about things. Newspaper 新聞 Books 本 Next is about weather. Tenki 天気 Rain 雨 Next is about adjectives. Big 大きい Small 小さい New 新しい Old 古い Expensive Tall High 高い Cheap 安い Many 多い Few 少ない A few A little 少し Long 長い Early 早い Next is about verbs. To go 行く To come 来る To eat 食べる食べる to drink 飲む飲む to write 書く書く to watch to look 見る見る to say 言う言う to stand 立つ立つ to leave 出る出る to enter 入る入る to talk 話す話す to read 読む読む to buy 買う買う to listen 聞く聞く to rest 休む休む to meet 会う会う to go up 上がる上がるはい、皆さんお疲れ様でした。たくさんありましたね。There are so many vocabularies and kanjis. I know, like I said at the beginning of this video, no need to pressure yourself to remember today. No one can remember all at once. I cannot even remember if I have to remember such a long list of new vocabularies in additional language. So I'm proud of you now that you finished watching this video. You input a lot of information like a shower, Japanese language shower. So now it's your turn to review and practice. It's okay to take some time, but please study consistently. Okay? 一緒に頑張りましょう。If you like this video or if you think that this video was helpful, I really appreciate if you give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!